your creativity and let your imagination run wild. A very good morning to the respected teachers, parents, esteemed guests, MD Sir, Nymphia Ma'am and fellow students. Get ready to be electrified as our class annual presentation is enriched performance is of that will blow your mind. From thought-provoking group discussions to dazzling dance routines, from side-splitting skits to soul-stirring songs, and from mesmerizing instrumental pieces to show-stopping performances, this event promises to be an unforgettable experience that will leave on the edge of your seat. We would like to thank management for providing us this amazing opportunity to showcase our talent and share our passion with you all. Join us as we celebrate the creative spirit, academic achievements and the personal growth of our students. This annual presentation is the testament of power of human expressions and connection. So let us embark on this journey and make some unforgettable memories. Let the energy explode. आज एक नई शुरुआत, एक नया जज्बात, एक नया जुनून. So let's ignite the spark and make it a blast. Now I would like to adjust few of our class to come over and to pledge.
Now please stand up, put your right hand on the left shoulder and get ready for pledge. O God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
Thoughts are like little piece of wisdom from smart and creative people. They can inspire us, make us smile and help us learn important things about life. So here comes Sharma for thought of the day.
Socialism is not only a way of life, but a certain scientific approach to social and economic problems. I repeat my thought, socialism is not only a way of life, but a certain scientific approach to social and economic problems.
Group discussion is a deeper understanding of a topic and increase long-term retention. Now it's time for a group discussion.
Greetings to the all present here. I'm feeling very honored to initiate this prestigious group discussion on socialism, a topic that has changed the societies and the political thoughts over the globe. Together, we will explore its principle and implementation challenges. This discussion aims to deepen your understandings on the socialism aims. The fellow participants will discuss its effectiveness in practice, drawing on the historical moments and the contemporary societies. Through the various counter-arguments, we would like to have to foster a comprehensive and a nuanced dialogue on the socialism complexities. So now Prerna will tell us about the principles of the socialism.
Principles of socialism include social ownership. This principle advocates for collective or state ownership of the means of production, distribution and exchange, such as land, factories and natural resources. Equitable distribution. Socialism aims to ensure fair and equitable distribution of wealth and resources among all members of society, reducing economic inequality.
Social welfare. Socialism emphasizes the provisions of the social programs including healthcare, education, housing and other essential services to ensure the well-being of all the citizens.
Democratic control. Democratic decision-making processes are often advocated for both in the political and economic spheres, aiming to give workers and communities a say in how resources are managed and distributed.
Social justice. Socialism seeks to address social injustice such as discrimination based on race, gender or class and strives for more inclusive and egalitarian society.
These principles guide our socialist ideologies and policies, though interpretations and implementations may vary among different socialist movements and societies.
Implementing socialism faces several challenges including centralized planning, centralized economic planning, common in socialist systems can lead to inefficiencies as it may struggle to allocate resources effectively without the feedback mechanism of market forces.
Incentive structure. Socialism can struggle to provide us with adequate incentives for innovation, productivity and entrepreneurship since individual effort may not be directly rewarded, leading to lack of dynamism in the economy.
Bureaucracy and corruption. Centralized control can lead to bureaucratic inefficiencies and corruption. as the decision-making power is concentrated in the hands of a few, potentially undermining the principles of equality and fairness.
Resistance to change. Socialist systems may face resistance to reforms or adaptations as entrenched interests may resist changes that challenge their power or privileges. International pressures. Socialist countries may face external pressures such as trade sanctions or isolation from the countries that adhere to different economic systems, limiting their power to implement and sustain socialist policies. Now, Prapti, can you please tell me how socialism shaped Russia?
Socialism has a profound impact on Russia, transforming it from a feudal society to a socialist state. Here are some key ways that shaped Russia: collectivization, industrialization, education and healthcare, workers' rights, women's rights, etc. Now, Puneet, can you please tell us what are the principles of socialism in the modern world?
Several principles of socialism can be adopted in the modern world: progressive taxation, universal healthcare, free education, public services, regulation of market, public ownership, cooperative ownership, etc.
Socialism became popular in Europe by the mid-19th century. The socialists saw private properties as exploitative to the factory workers. According to them, the factory owners or the capitalists only thought of their own profit and didn't care about workers' benefit.
Addressing these challenges requires careful planning, institutional reforms, and adaptations to local context, while also considering lessons from past experiences with socialism. The Russian Revolution and socialism are closely intertwined. Here's a brief overview. The Russian Revolution and socialism had a profound impact on Russia, shaping its economy, society, and politics. The Russian Revolution brought significant changes. It led to challenges and benefits, ultimately contributing to the Soviet Union collapse in 1991.
Dance is used as a form of worship and exhalation since ancient times. Many cultures worldwide use dance to express their faith and connect with their spiritual roots. As we witness the praise dancers' graceful movements and vibrant colors, let us reflect on the beauty and diversity of God's creation through a Kathak dance. Now some students of a class are coming for classical performance.
production. A superpower today, a country of poets, philosophers, and revolutionaries. But do you know, this country has witnessed the history of blood and tears, a revolution which transformed its history, a movement which gave a message of socialism to the world. So get ready to rethink the motherland as we explore Russia you never knew. So let's time travel to 1904. Our story begins with the revolution of 1904. There was a huge protest going on in Russia by the workers for the case of dismissing workers from the iron industries. A huge protest was held by workers and led by Father Gapon. The day was a very traumatizing day for Russia, known as Bloody Sunday. After the rebels, Tsar Nicholas tried to gain respect of his citizens by establishing a political party named as Duma. 3 Duma were established. Now let's witness the meeting of Tsar Nicholas with his ministers for formation of Duma.
My dear ministers, we face a grave predicament. The unrest among our people grows by the day, and I fear our grip on power is slipping.
Long live the king. Your Majesty, perhaps we should implementing political reforms to appease the populace.
No, Ivan, such drastic changes can destabilize the empire further. We must tread carefully.
Your Majesty, may I suggest addressing people's economic grievances, increasing wages, improving living conditions could quell their discontent.
A valid point, Sergei. But the treasury is already strained, and an increase in spending can lead to financial ruin.
Your Majesty, what about granting greater autonomy to the Duma? Allowing people a voice in government could foster goodwill and promote unity.
Autonomy for the Duma? That's a bold proposal, Olga. Can we trust them to govern responsibly?
With proper guidance, Your Majesty, I believe that the Duma could become the beacon of stability and progress.
Very well. We shall convene with the Duma and discuss the possibility of granting them greater powers. But remember, ministers, we have to take our steps carefully, as our decisions today will shape the future of our empire.
But Tsar Nicholas made a great mistake by selecting his trusted conservatives in the Third Duma, which led to unrest among people and tragedy towards the fall of empire. In February 1917, food shortages were deeply felt in the workers' quarters. In many factories, women led the way to the strikes, and this day came to be called as the International Women's Day. So now let's witness the meeting of Tsar Nicholas with his officers on March 2nd, 1917.
Gentlemen, I have called you here to discuss the dire situation our great nation faces today.
Long live the king, your majesty. The people cry out for change this. This war brought us to our knees, and the soldier of our blood stains the field.
Indeed, the weight of their sacrifice upon us. What course of action do you propose?
Your Majesty, it is clear that the time for action is upon us. We must seek peace for the sake of our people and national survival.
I agree, but what lengths must we go to secure this peace?
Your Majesty, the time has come to sacrifice for our arm. We must submit to the will of the people and step down from power.
Abdicate the throne? But what of my family, our legacy?
Your majesty, the preservation of Russia is paramount. We must put aside our personal concerns for the greater good.
Very well. I must submit to the will of the people and abdicate the throne for the sake of Russia.
Finally, after Tsar Nicholas signed, Duma leaders and Soviet leaders formed a provisional government to run the country. The rise of Lenin. He returned from exile in 1917 and in April he passed April thesis.
Comrades, the time has come to lead our power from the borders oppressors. The workers and the peasants shall lead the way to a new socialist society.
During the October Revolution, the conflict between the Bolsheviks and the provisional government increased. The Bolsheviks seized the power during the October Revolution. There is a discussion between the flocks of Russia in a coffee shop after Lenin took over the command.
Wow, what a nice coffee.
I'm reading this article. This shows that the Lenin has taken control over the Russia.
Lenin, how did it happen?
Well, it's a great story. Lenin has taken the control over the Russia after the Russian Revolution.
Oh yes, I remember that the soldiers and peasants protested demanding change.
With this protest, the Tsar was abdicated from his throne and the provincial government was formed.
But what about Lenin?
Well, the Lenin was in exile in the Switzerland. He got the perfect opportunity to return to the Russia, so he was famously boarded with the seal train provided by Germans to make his all way back.
A seal train? That's quite the entrance.
Indeed, Lenin wasted no time in dwelling the Bolsheviks in his radical ideas. He promised bread, peace and land to the war weary and the hunger masses.
And the people bought into his promise.
Yes, the Bolsheviks had taken all the power of the Russia in the October Revolution.
So Lenin became the ruler of Russia.
Not quite yet. The country was plunged into the civil war.
And who was victorious?
Well, the Bolsheviks and the Red Army.
The rise of Stalin. Our skit would be incomplete if we will not discuss about Stalin. Meet Joseph Stalin, an cunning and ambitious member of the Bolshevik party. Despite his unassuming appearance, Stalin harbored grand aspirations.
Capitalism and socialism work for the betterment of people.
Sir, we will also need to... we will focus on more concrete ideas of Russia. People are more hopeful from our party.
Indeed, we will focus more on agriculture and industry in future.
Sir, we will also need to amend new laws for our country's freedom.
And though Stalin rises to become the leader of Soviet Union,
Comrade Lenin, I share your vision for the party future. Allow me to assist you in implementing our revolutionary ideas.
Stalin, I trust you. You are a great leader. Our party will reach a new heights when you all are with me.
Comrades, lead to a great nation. We should take power from bourgeois oppressors.
at last, on 5th March 1953, Stalin died.
Well, someone has rightly said, the revolution is not just an apple that falls when it trips. You have to make it fall. So thank you everyone for being the part of this tremendous journey with us where the Russia goes from the monarchy to the superpower. Thank you.
So now it is the time to come out of melodies and get energetic with this joyful singing sensation. So here comes Sakshi of our class for an English song.
I can feel you fade away from the kitchen to the bathroom sinks and your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, pull me out, leave me head away. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks, so we called in grace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, don't let me down, don't let me down, let me down, don't let me down, don't let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Cold skin, drag my feet on the tile as I'm walking down the corridor. And I know we haven't talked in a while, so I'm looking for an open door. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me head away. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks to a cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. And I can stop myself from falling. And I can stop myself from falling. And I can stop So looking for an open door. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Thank you.
Let's dive into a Hindi poem that captures the essence of Russian Revolution with profound beauty and depth. So please welcome Hansik and Prapti of our class to recite a Hindi poem.
रूस की क्रांति ने दुनिया को बदल दिया, सम्राट की गद्दी पर जनता का अधिकार हुआ। क्रांति की लहर जलती रही, न्याय और स्वतंत्रता की लड़ाई लड़ती रही। स्वतंत्रता की राह पर बदल गया इतिहास, रूस की क्रांति ने जगा दिया नया समाज। लेनिन की वाणी ने दुनिया को जागृत किया, सर्वहारा वर्ग की शक्ति ने तानाशाही का नाश किया। क्रांति की मशाल तो अब भी जलती है, न्याय और स्वतंत्रता की लड़ाई तो अब भी लड़ती है, पर साम्राज्यवाद की जंजीरें टूट अमन की बेला आई है। रूसी क्रांति इतिहास का नया मतदान का गीत लाई है, नया मतदान का गीत लाई है। धन्यवाद।
Music once emitted to a soul becomes a sort of spirit and never dies. Here comes Prerna Goyal of our class to perform an instrumental performance.
No will divides the heart, no poverty tears apart. Each hand extends to lift the low in socialism's gentle flow.
Yet caution whispers in the wind, for every path has shadows been. The balance between need and greed in socialism creed we heed.
For freedom's flame must never wane, nor innovation's spark be slain. In socialism stands we find the harmony of humankind,
So let us strive for that golden mean.
where every soul may thrive unseen.
In socialism's street we see
A world where all are truly free. Thank you.
Feel the rhythm in your heartbeat. Let the melody flow from your soul, and the air be painted by the performance of Prisha and Sakshi of our class.
because it gives us the slightest excuse to feel and be completely beautiful. Now, students of our class are coming for group dance.
ऐ परिंदे यूं अब के उड़ा कर तू जा जला सूरज को जाके आसमां पे तू ऐ परिंदे भर ऐसी उड़ाने तू हर नजर ये तुझसे पूछे अब इतनी क्यों धूल उड़ा जाके मंजिलों पे यूं लेकिन हवाओं से तेरी यारी है उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी
अगर कोई कर सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं क्या है उनमें ऐसा जो मुझ में नहीं अगर कोई कर सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं क्या है उनमें ऐसा जो मुझ में नहीं झांक ले अपने भीतर खुद से आ पूछ ले कैसी चाहे जिंदगी खुली आंखों से देख ले मुट्ठियों को खींच ले सांसों को खींच ले मुट्ठियों को खींच ले सांसों को खींच ले सबसे टकराने को शिखर पर जाने को मैं तैयार हूँ मैं तैयार हूँ मैं तैयार हूँ मैं तैयार
तू खुद की खोज में निकल किस लिए तलाश है तो चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है समय को भी तलाश है
ये रास्ता है तेरा दूर भी अब जाना है घायल परिंदा है तू दिखला के जिंदा है तू बाकी है तुझ में हौसला जिंदगी का ये घड़ा दे एक सांस में जगा दे हिचकियों में क्या है मरना पूरा मर जान लेके के है राहों में कांटे और मैं भी उसी आऊं किस्मत के आए मैं रोके तो तू गिरा में उठे पिछले तो लाऊंगा मैं पर तुझ में जितना नफा तू लगा ले मगर हंस के चल जाएगा ना झुकेगा ये
जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां समझना इनको वस्त्र जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां समझना इनको वस्त्र तू ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू
तपती है धरती जलता है अंबर पास तेरे ना कोई समंदर आग पे चल के तप के पिघल के अपने इरादे तो आजमा
जिद पे आए तो कर जाए पर